Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So we are January the 1st. Happy New Year. And that's where this video ends with all of the good cheer and merriment. We're going to talk about part two of Shopkick, how I'm going to be dealing with this app in the new year, and just a couple pointers I can share with you. Now, if you are not schooled on this, I will recommend that you watch yesterday's video. There was a deal right before Christmas Eve that a lot of people did at Walmart with deodorant with Shopkick, and basically they were spending anywhere between 50 to $100+ on the deodorant just to not get the credit back from the app. Although the app said that all of the points were awarded, but all of the points were later taken back. I have never really seen anything to this scale in my almost 15 years of couponing with apps. I've never seen anything quite like this. I know that a lot of shoppers are really upset and they're done with this app. And how I'm going to be moving ahead in the new year, I'm not going to be showcasing any deals with this app either, and I actually stopped using it myself. I took it off of my phone. I cashed out one last gift card. Oh, and I spent it right away. I wasn't going to just like leave it in my wallet and spend it like on St. Patrick's Day. Use it right away because who really knows what's going on over there. This is so unfortunate that it is what it is, and they did this. And they're just leaning everything back. If you go to their Instagram and go to their stories, I can't unfortunately show that to you. But they just put it in their stories, so it's going to be deleted in 24 hours. But they just said, oh, it's such a popular rebate. So, yeah, sorry, guys. And, to more Shopkick deals in the new year. And I think a lot of people didn't even want to read that. They were just infuriated. And they took, as this commenter said, with that statement, they took zero accountability for what happened to a lot of people, because a lot of people put anywhere between $50, $100 to $200 into this deal for it just to poof, go nowhere. I really recommend that you go in yesterday's video to read comments, or if you want to read comments on their social media, because people are really spouting off. And you know what? They're not deleting these comments or taking like comments off completely, which is really interesting. They're just letting everybody say whatever, and people are really furious. So in the new year, I'm not going to use the app. I cashed out my gift card right away, and I get a weird feeling, guys, that what's the next big deal going to be? Running to Walmart and getting God knows what, and then just to have to deal with this again, because this isn't a good practice, and I have never seen anything like this, guys, and I've been around for a very long time for this, and a lot of people are reporting that their accounts got wiped clean, and that's also really unfortunate. I think the quickest way to get your message across is to go in the App Store and give them a review there, 1 star. I think that's how it would really hit them the hardest. A lot of people are going on their social medias and spouting off and writing a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, it only goes so far because they can delete that post, but in the App Store, there's a bit of a footprint that'll be left there with your beliefs that this isn't a good app. And yeah, so I'm done. So I was lucky to get a gift card and just to be done with this. And honestly, I looked at what I did last year. I think I did 4 or 5 Shopkick deals at Walmart, and it amounted to maybe like $50 after everything was said and done. I was an exceptionally light user of this app. Could never really figure it out. And what I always kind of walked into was, if I had a really good rebate, the second I opened up the app in Walmart, it would go down to like 10 or 20 kicks, like from like 1800 down to 10. That always happened for me, and I was like, oh, okay, I must have the worst luck. And like other influencers too, my referral code for this app, they made it delinquent after I referred my first 250 people. I couldn't use it anymore. So subsequently, I never really advertised this one app because they capped it out really quickly. And that's also in their terms of service. No other app does this except for Shopkick. And there always seemed to be like a mile long ruling of why things were the way that they were, other than, this is our policy. So with that, I don't think I'm going to be participating in 2025 with them. I know a lot of you enjoy sharing and talking about this in the comments down below. Most of your family members might not understand couponing stuff, but if you guys want to talk in the comments, go for it. Definitely, I would return your deodorant to Walmart, try and get your gift card, try and be patient with Shopkick's customer service. If they did wipe your account, they have to give you back the points that were missing. And for like if you were doing Olay and Pond's, if those were wiped out as well, those have nothing to do with Old Spice. So I would definitely keep track of everything, keep good notes, and bring your deodorant with that receipt back to Walmart today. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.